The Nike Sabrina 3 SEEP Night Purple elevates modern basketball footwear with a refined mix of agility, stability, and style inspired by WNBA star Sabrina Ionescu. Layers of night purple and atomic violet create a dynamic visual flow from toe to heel, shifting subtly with every angle. Its fully woven textile look performs a 3D wave-like texture, wrapping the foot with lightweight support built for quick movements. A clean white swoosh, floral detailing, and pale mint foam accents introduce a balanced contrast, adding depth without overpowering the design. The EP-specific outsole, engineered for durable traction on Asian courts, uses a translucent lavender rubber with a complex pattern built for confident grip. Smooth heel foam transitions from white to purple, reinforcing stability while enhancing the shoe's sculpted look. Whether on the court or on the street, this colorway blends performance and artistry, leaving a bold yet elegant impression that captures the essence of the Sabrina line.